ignore how I look. You know, I haven't left the house today, so I haven't felt the need to get ready. I'm packing. I'm going to Dunedin this weekend. It's gonna be fun. I'm going to see some friends, maybe party a little. I don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna be fun. I'm really bad at packing, so I'm including the packing in this video because I want to be able to look back on this in the future and like know exactly like kind of what I used and what I didn't use, like kind of what the vibe was. I made a list because I always forget things, and I'm gonna start packing. So I've got like a bag. I've got this bag. It's from, I don't know if there's a brand name. Is that like Active? I think it's like the warehouse brand, I'm pretty sure. So it's pretty cheap, but in saying that, the quality so far is great. I actually love this bag because it's quite big. my hair is sopping wet because I just washed it, but the fit for the plane is some black sweats. I've got this black bodysuit and then just this big jacket that I didn't want to pack because it's quite thick, so I thought I'd wear it on the plane. And then also these shoes. Can you see them? Cannot even see them, but they're like heels. They are, you know, they're the bigger shoes, so I thought I'd wear them instead of pack them. And I'm still eating my breakfast and I'm running a little bit late, so